Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Audi A6, and I wanted to share with you guys, in my opinion, one of the best budget tools you can get for your Audi or your VW. And if you guys are like me and like doing DIY and also saving money at the same time by repairing your own car and doing all the fixes yourself, then this is one tool that you should have in your pocket. It's very inexpensive, and I will have a link down below in my description box, so please check it out if you do have an Audi or VW. And this particular one is the iCarSoft i908, and no, this video is not sponsored by iCarSoft or anyone. I purchased all these iCarSoft scanners myself, and I have a few other ones as well that I use on my Hummer, on my Range Rover, and the Mercedes and the BMWs. And this i908 in particular is for the Audi and VW. So if you have either or, this is going to work on both different makes, and it basically supports every model. And today, why I'm going to be sharing it with you guys on my Audi A6 is because I have the steering defective message coming. And as of right now, my car is pretty much undrivable. The steering wheel is very stiff and it's just very hard to park and drive right now. So what I'm going to do is connect this to the OBD2 port and start scanning for the codes. So once you have it plugged in, you could run it through OBD Diagnostics, which is basically your check engine scanner tool, or you could do diagnose and pick Audi, VW and find your particular model, which is the A6 C7. And I'm going to go through manual right now because I know the steering wheel is defective. So I'm going to find the steering wheel diagnostic screen and read the fault codes. And here are the 3 fault codes stored right now on the Audi system. And right now with these fault codes, I'm able to see a brief overview of what the code is on for and if it's a stored code or a pending code. And if you want to get more details on a particular code, you could always search it online. But these scanners are very great because they pinpoint every little sensor or malfunction that can go wrong in your car, whether it's your interior door panels, whether it's a light bulb that's out, your navigation, your transmission, your transfer case, your SRS, your brakes. I mean, you name it, it has everything. And in my particular car, it's picking up 37 different systems that it supports. And I'm just going to go through each different system and see what fault codes I have and what I need to work on. So I'm going to wrap it up right here, but all I'm going to say is, again, if you guys have an Audi or a VW or even any other make, whether it's a Mercedes, a BMW or even a Honda, they have different scanners for that particular make. And again, why I'm very inclined with these, because they're very affordable and they're very easy to use, and they've helped me basically on all my DIY works that I've been doing over these years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I would appreciate if you guys could hit the like and share button, and please drop a comment down below and let me know what car you guys have and what scanner you guys use to diagnose your problems on your vehicle. And if you guys want to see more car related videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.